Hey everyone, welcome to a new video, and I'm super excited to be sharing with you my new tutorial using the brand new P Plus from Elegance, the brand new gel polish. So let's get straight into it. I'm going to start off with fully prepped nails. This is actually a red iguana hand, so I haven't had to do the cuticle work or anything, but if you were working on a customer, you would do all the cuticle work, removal of the shine, and then we're cleansing the nails ready for our base application. So starting with QDbase, I'm going to apply this to the nails. I like to start by capping the free edge first and then going in and applying to the surface of the nail. And keep this coat nice and thin, but don't use too much pressure on your brush. So nice and thin, keep the brush nice and flat, but let the brush kind of float over the nail so that it's not like dragging against the surface of the nail underneath. I tried this when I first got this product and the base coat was kind of separating on the surface, and it was just because I was applying it way too thin. So apply thinly but with a floating action, not too much pressure on the brush. And I like to do 1 to 2 nails at a time for this base and then pop it into the Light Elegance LED dot lamp, and this cures for 60 seconds.
You got it going on, I'll be there in a heartbeat. Tell me your favorite song, I'll put it on repeat. I could wait for you forever, through the storms or any weather. Yeah, you're like New York in the sunshine. I'm a fool, yeah, I got my love blind. And ooh, yeah, got my heart out, and it's covered in gold. Like moonlight over Hollywood, and it's cool, yeah, cause you know it's good, oh baby.
Once that base is cured, I'm going to go in with my first colour. I'm going to use True Love, which is an exclusive colour to the P Plus range. So this isn't available in any of the hard gel systems. Really, really nice, bright, vibrant pink, and you can see the coverage on these. The biggest thing to remember with P Plus is it is so full of pigment. Please remember to shake it. So when I first got my colours, I had a little play with them and I wasn't really sure, like the colours looked a bit wishy-washy, but little did I know, I hadn't shaken them properly. The pigments were all settled at the bottom. So make sure you give your bottles, when you receive them, a really, really good shake. Make sure you get those pigments nice and mixed into the formulation, and then every time you use that colour on one of your customers, just give it another good shake just to make sure the pigments are all nicely mixed together again. So I'm just going to apply this. I like to do colour 1 nail at a time. So I do 1 nail, put it into the lamp, let it cure, and then switch to the other hand, do the same nail on the opposite hand, and just switch between the hands in between each coat of each nail. It's just the way that I like to work, because I like to get the colour nice and perfectly applied, especially around the cuticle, and then just get it into the lamp and lock that colour into place. And the colour cures for 30 seconds in the LED dot lamp. Now the coverage is insanely good on these P Plus gel polishes, but I am going to do a second coat, and I would recommend it just for evenness of colour and also strength for the nail as well. So I'm going to apply a second coat of True Love, but I'm just going to apply this to the little finger, the index finger and the thumb, and these are the nails that are not going to have any nail design on them. So I'm leaving out the ring finger and the middle finger because those I'm going to go ahead and do my nail art once I've finished these second coats.
I could wait for you forever, through the storms or any weather. Yeah, you're like New York in the sunshine. I'm a fool, yeah, I got my love blind. And ooh, yeah, got my heart out, and it's covered in gold. Like moon
Okay, so for our Smoky Ombre nail art, I'm going to use Pika Blue, which is a colour that I love. This is available in the hard gel system as well, so I'm really happy that they've decided to make it part of P+. So I'm going to start off by decanting some of this onto a palette, and then I'm using the block brush from the Celina Ryden Signature Nail Art Kit. And I'm just going to apply this to the top right corner of the ring finger. And I'm not too worried about like evenness of coverage or anything at the moment. I'm just wanting to get product on there and then just kind of pat and blend it roughly down the nail. It doesn't need to be super perfect because that's the whole kind of smoky ombre effect, is that it is not perfect. So again, I like to cure each nail at a time. So I do the ring finger cure. And then with the middle finger, you're doing the opposite. So I'm going to apply the colour towards the top left corner of the nail. And again, just kind of dab the colour around that left top cuticle area. And then just kind of smudge and blend it down across the nail into a bit of a diagonal, like I say, smoky, smudgy ombre. If you do get any on the skin, just make sure that you use a tool to remove that so that you're not touching uncured product with your fingertips. And then just repeating that again with a second layer. So repeating the same shape on the ring finger, the same shape on the middle finger, and curing in between those layers. And of course, we couldn't have a Light Elegance tutorial without a bit of sparkle. So I've chosen Breathless, which is an exclusive glitter gel to the P+ range. It's really, really, really nice. It's quite a subtle glitter, but it's really nice in the fact that you can put this over the top of any colour and it's just going to give it a really beautiful sparkle. And I'm just going to apply this over the top of those smoky, smudgy ombre nails. So the ring finger and the middle finger, just a nice thin layer right the way over those two nails. And again, I just like to apply one nail at a time. Feel free to do both at once, but you can really see that sparkle. It's so nice.
Heading down Cali, driving round with my baby. Top drops and raindrops, motion got me all faded. My heart.
Once those layers have cured in the lamp for 30 seconds, we are ready for our top coat. And the P+ top coat, I must say, is so impressive. It is so glossy and shiny. It is as shiny as super shiny, which for me, I have never found a soak-off gel polish with a top coat that is as shiny as a hard gel top coat. So yeah, absolutely loving the top coat and the finish that it gives to the nails. What I like to do is, as I'm working with clients, just in case those middle fingers haven't had enough cure time, if I'm working quickly between the hands, I'll apply the top coat to the plain pink nails because I know that they've definitely had enough cure time. Pop those in, and then when they're ready, bring them out, add top coat to the middle ones, and then finish curing for 60 seconds.
Going on, I'll be there in a heartbeat. Tell me your favorite song, I'll put it on repeat. I could wait for you forever, through the storms or any weather. Yeah.
And once cured, give those nails 20 seconds to just cool down. Just allow that top coat to finish curing fully, and that way when you cleanse the nail, you keep that really high shine finish on the nails.
Driving around with my
there we have it, the finished nails. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial and this introduction to the brand new P Plus from Elegance. If you're in the UK, these products are available from Sweet Squared from today. If you are an international customer, you can visit lightelegance.com for information about your local distributor. So thanks again so much for watching. I hope you enjoy your new P Plus when you get it, and I will speak to you all soon. Thanks guys, bye.